Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. If you want to disable or uninstall an app from your home screen, and you can, maybe this happens because home screen it's locked. Now, to unlock the home screen, I will show you how to do it. For that, just press and hold on the home screen. Now go to settings and here swipe and go to lock home screen layout. If you have this option enabled, just tap here to disable and now go back. And now if you press and hold on an app, you can uninstall it. Just tap here and tap OK, and that's all. So I hope this video to be useful for you if you want to uninstall or disable some apps, and also if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.